Alright, so this is the radical real. This is how you do this first problem. So the first thing you would do is you would try to get, because you can't have this right here, so you would need to multiply both by this, and then that would get you n to the power 2, and then n under the square root, and then n. And then this right here can just be turned into two n's, and then with square root of n, and then the n on the bottom still stays the same. But you can cancel out one of the n's, or two. You can cancel out the one on the bottom with one of the n's on top, and so it all the way it would give you the answer of n and then n to square root. And for the second equation, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate both, so it's just gonna be 3 square root of 3 and then square root of 50. And then this can turn 50 can turn into 25, and then the other one would be 2. And then set the square root of 3 stays the same on the top. And then next you would do, you would keep the 3 on the top, and then you can turn the 25, because square root of 25 is 5. You can just do 5 with a square root of 2 next to it, and then you want to get rid of the square root of 2, so you'd do this and multiply both things, and then so after you multiply them, it'll be 10, it'll be square root of 6 over 10. And then for this second equation, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the 64 into a 4 with a 3, because that's just how you can do that, because it's 64 to the 4 to the third power is 64. So and then I'm gonna make this square root back over and with the 3. And then for the a's, since there's 3 right here, I'm gonna divide the 6 and do 2 a's with both to the power of 3. And then for the b, you can't really do anything, so it's just gonna be b2 still. And then for c, it's c to the 13th, and there's 4 c's in it, so you can go c, oops, I put that in the wrong place. You can you would go like this, and then put c and then a 1, and then next to it put the and put it in parentheses, and then on the side put the to the 4, and then put another c, because there's that, because it's not exactly all, it can't just go in 4 times, there's still that extra. And then next I'm gonna make the 4, I'm gonna make the 4 go away, or the power of 3 to the 4 go away, because this has a 3 right here. And I'm gonna just put 2 a's, because it takes away the 3 from both of them. And then for c, I can since there's 3, I can just make it where will just be 1c. So you're gonna put the square root here, and then 3. Oh, whoops. I got ahead of myself. So for the c, I'm gonna do 4 c's, because that's just how you could do that. And then you're gonna put this right here again, because the other things that couldn't be simplified. And the b2, of course, because we haven't been able to do anything for that. And then for the c's, we're just gonna do c right there, because there's these two right here, there's two c's. And so then to simplify that even more, you could do just 4 and then a to the power of 2, and then since there's 4 c's, c to the power of 4, and then with b to the power of 2 and c. And that's the answer.